Moving on to another story coming in from Supreme Court that has heard the plea by Udhayanidhi Stalin seeking to club criminal cases registered against him across multiple states over his controversial Sanatan Dharma remarks. Justice Sanjeev Khanna gave exemption from personal appearance to the Deputy Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu and interim protection to be granted. The case will be listed once again for the month of February next year. My colleague Sam Daniel gets us this report.
This is being seen as a kind of a relief for him from appearing in person at all the courts that could be hearing this particular case against him in different states. Actually, he had once appeared in a court in Bengaluru, and this is being seen as a relief, but no formal response yet. But this comment was made by Udhayanidhi Stalin in the month of September last year, soon after he became the sports minister, saying that Sanatan Dharma, like mosquitoes that cause dengue or malaria, ought to be eradicated. And that had touched a raw nerve at that point in time. And several FIRs were filed in different parts of the country. And the allegation is that he attacked Hinduism. But Udhayanidhi argued that in South India, particularly in Tamil Nadu, for ages, Sanatan Dharma is seen through the prism of untouchability. And it's in that context he clarified that he had made that statement that it has to be eradicated like dengue and malaria causing mosquitoes. And his aim was not at all to affect the sentiments of Hindus or those who believe in Hinduism. And that has been his consistent stand. And many also stood by him, saying that this is the stand taken by leaders like Ambedkar and Periyar, and he had just echoed that sentiment, which has been the case and a campaign in Tamil Nadu for ages, paving way for what they call education of the oppressed communities for centuries. And it's in that context this particular case was filed to exempt him from personal appearance in courts, and we'll have to wait and see what the larger ultimate logical end would be. But earlier the Supreme Court had observed in a rather strong way, saying that he had misused the freedom of expression by making this particular comment.